You are looking to get those automatic monthly charges under control, so we are jumping straight into the process of canceling your Autopay subscriptions on PayPal. First, open your web browser and log in to your account. Once you are on your dashboard, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, right next to the logout button. Click that to enter your account settings. On the next page, you will see a secondary menu bar near the top. Look for the tab labeled Payments and click on it. Now, scroll down to where it says Manage Automatic Payments. This is usually located near the bottom of the payment settings list. Click on that button to open your full list of active subscriptions. On the left side of this page, you will see a sidebar listing every merchant you have authorized to bill you. The important thing is to look at the filters. Make sure you have it set to show active only, so you are not wasting time looking at old, expired services. In my case, I have several services listed here. Click on the name of the specific merchant you want to stop paying. This will open a detailed view on the right side of the screen showing your billing history and the current status. Look for the status section where it says Active and click the Cancel button right next to it. Now, that goes both ways. When you cancel the automatic payment here, PayPal will stop sending money to that company, but you may still have an active account with the merchant itself. This means they might still try to bill your backup credit card or reach out for payment, so you should also log into their specific website to close the account fully. Once you click Cancel in PayPal, a confirmation window will pop up. Click Cancel Automatic Payments one more time to lock it in. You should see a notification that the subscription is now inactive. If you are using the mobile app, the process is very similar. You just tap the menu, go to your linked businesses or subscriptions, select the merchant, and tap Unlink to remove PayPal as the payment method. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.